Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Toyota Sequoia, and today we're going to be replacing this condenser fan. The one that's in the Sequoia has gone bad. We're going to go ahead and diagnose it, and we're going to get this switched out and get our AC working a lot better. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is how I was able to diagnose the bad condenser fan. Simply just go inside your Sequoia, start it up, let it get up to operating temperature, turn your air conditioning on. After 5 or 10 minutes, if you don't hear this big condenser fan turn on, you know either your relay's bad or your fan is bad. So let's go ahead and turn this coil on, let it get up to operating temperature. Start it up. Let it run for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, if you think this condenser fan is running, it's not. It's that manual fan pushing air through the radiator and the condenser. It looks like it's moving fast, but you can come over here and just stop these blades. So it might trick you in thinking it's running, but it's actually not. So when we come over here, we'll make sure it's not the relay. We'll take this connector off and see if we're getting 12 to 13 volts power to this fan. Like you can see, it just starts rotating again. So it can trick you into thinking it's running, but it's actually not. As you can see right now, we're getting 13.54 volts, so the relay to this fan is working. It's just the fan is dead. So let's go ahead and get this fan replaced and get this condenser nice and cool again. This condenser fan here has 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just go ahead and make sure you take this temperature sensor off and anything else that's connected to it right here. I believe this is power for the horn. So let's go ahead and get everything disconnected and get ready for the new condenser fan. Okay, we got these 2 connectors removed here. I believe this is a temp sensor, and we got this one removed for the horn. So next, just the 4 bolts for the condenser fan. Got all 4 bolts removed. Simply just pull the fan forward. Should come right out just like that. Okay, let's get ready to put this new condenser fan in. Put it in here. Line it up. Just like that. Put your 4 bolts back in. Put all the connectors back on, and this fan should be good as new. Got the 4 bolts back in. And that horn. It's a horn connector, temp sensor. All we got to do left is this final one right here. Alright, so you will need the back part to this plug, which goes right here. It's simply on the old connector. Just take yourself a screwdriver, press right in here. Let me try to do this one-handed. Press right in here. Should come off just like that. Put that on the new one. And just to secure this wire to here, just to hold it out of the way, I'm going to put a zip tie here and right here to just kind of hold the wires nice and secure. Alright, getting rid of the old one. Got the new one installed. You can go ahead and start your Sequoia. Just double check, make sure that this fan kicks on. And there we go, this fan has kicked on. There's a lot of air. You can feel it pulling right into that condenser. That's exactly what it was lacking, to keep that air conditioner cool while it's at idle. You don't have any air running through the condenser, so you need this fan definitely when you're stopped or idling. This will help keep your air conditioner cool and not get warm while you're sitting there. Condenser fan is all replaced. Helps keep you cool when it's been super crazy hot this summer, so hopefully this will help. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Monday to 6. Out.